Shalom everyone, Ate once again. Today, we are going to learn the conjugation of infinitive to collect. In Hebrew, li'esof. We will learn how to say in Hebrew according to the gender. Okay guys, bow not kill. Present tense collect for masculine singular, osef. Ani osef. Ata osef. Hu osef. Ani, ata, hu osef tromot lekeren. Present tense collect for feminine singular, osefet. Ani osefet. At osefet. Hi osefet. Ani, at, hi osefet tromot lekeren. Present tense collect for masculine plural or mixed gender, osfim. Anachno osfim. Atem osfim. Hem osfim. Anachno, atem, hem osfim tromot lekeren. Present tense collect for feminine plural, osfot. Anachno osfot. Aten osfot. Hen osfot. Anachno, aten, hen osfot tromot lekeren. Now we are going to learn how to say in the past tense according to the gender. For past tense, collected. Asafti. Asafti tromot lekeren. Asafta. Asafta tromot lekeren. Asaft. Asaft tromot lekeren. Hu asaf. Hu asaf tromot lekeren. Hi asfa. Hi asfa tromot lekeren. Asafno. Asafno tromot lekeren. Asaftem. Asaftem tromot lekeren. Asaften. Asaften tromot lekeren. Hem asfo. Hem asfo tromot lekeren. Hen asfo. Hen asfo tromot lekeren. Now we are going to learn how to say in the future tense according to the gender. For future tense, will collect. Ani eesof. Ani eesof tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. Ata teesof. Ata teesof tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. At teesfi. At teesfi tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. Hu yeesof. Hu yeesof tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. Hi teesof. Hi teesof tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. Anachno neesof. Anachno neesof tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. Atem teesfu. Atem teesfu tromot lekeren, kidela asor le anashim aniim. Aten teesofna. Aten teesofna tromot lekeren, kidei laasor le anashim aniim. Hem yeesfu. Hem yeesfu tromot lekeren, kidei laasor le anashim aniim. Hen teesofna. Hen teesofna tromot lekeren, kidei laasor le anashim aniim. Okay guys, now I will give you the imperative. Imperative, collect, for masculine singular, esof. Imperative, collect, for feminine singular, esfi. Imperative, collect, for masculine plural or mixed gender, esfu. Imperative, collect, for feminine plural, isofna. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Enjoy to learn Hebrew, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for upcoming videos. Hamon-hamon to dali kulkem, nitrae bablog bashili, litraot.